Hey everybody, in this video I want to introduce you to the ability to blur backgrounds, or portrait mode, or bokeh if you're a photographer, but on the camera we're going to call it portrait mode. And what you can see right now is I am using the front-facing camera. I'm doing a selfie. This works both for photos and videos, which is awesome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change from photo to portrait mode along the bottom. And you'll notice it gives that nice soft blur, that depth of field effect, that bokeh or blur effect. What a lot of people don't know is over on the right hand side, if you click this little circle, is you can change the effect. You can change the intensity, so I can make it less blurred or more blurred. I can change to different effects, studio, which kind of changes the lighting. It gives a little bit more lighting to my face. I don't know why you use these, but monochrome effects. There is a backdrop effect, which is really cool. It erases the background. It gives you that blank background. And then there's the spot color effect, or color point, which is colorizing the front area of focus, but blurring the color, or black and whiting the background color. Sort of like the spot color effect I was showing that you can do in editing. Now what's really interesting is when you do any of these effects, you can actually alter them later in the photo editor, and I'm going to show you that. So let's just take this photo and I'll have a nice portrait with a blurred background. There we go.